Hello guys, let's crochet the cute carrot in 20 minutes. Make a magic ring and 6 short crochet into the ring. Slip and chain 1. The second round, 2 short crochet into every stitch of the first round. The third round, 1 short crochet, next 2 short crochet into 1 stitch, repeat 5 times, get 18 stitches in total. The fifth round, 3 short crochet 1 by 1, next 2 short crochet into 1 stitch, repeat 6 times, get 30 stitches in total. From the 6 to the 10 round, short crochet into every stitch, get 30 stitches per round. The 11th round, 3 short crochet 1 by 1, next decrease 1 stitch, repeat 5 times, get 24 stitches in total. Here showing how to decrease. The 12th round, 1 short crochet, next decrease 1 stitch, next 1 short crochet, repeat another 5 times, get 18 stitches in total. The 13th round, 1 short crochet, next decrease 1 stitch, repeat another 5 times, get 12 stitches in total. Fill with fillers. The 14th round, decrease 1 stitch, repeat another 5 times, get 6 stitches in total. Cut off the yarn. Now we crochet the 3 pieces leaves. Here is the diagram. 8 chains as the foundation. If you have iron wire, put 1 piece here. Back to the second 1 short crochet, next 3 half double crochet into 1 loop. Next chain 2 and slip into next loop. Next 1 short crochet. Next 3 double crochet into 1 loop. Next chain 2 and slip into next stitch. Next 6 short crochet into 1 loops. Slip into next stitch and chain 2. Next 3 double crochet into 1 loop. Next 1 short crochet. Next slip and chain 2. Next 3 half double crochet into 1 loop. the last 1 short crochet. Slip and fasten off the yarn. Make 3 pieces leaves. We get the cut carrot now. Thanks for your accompany.